Students, let us see what happened next. The first was that the attic means what? The room where he slept in was overrun means what? Spread over by rats and mice. At night they scampered means what? They ran over here and there. Rats and mice ran over here and there. They troubled a lot all over him and kept him awake means he could not sleep. After a time he solved this problem. And how did he solve this problem? By saving the few pennies. Means when he worked, he saved the money he got. From the money which he got, he saved money. Pennies means what? Unit of money. He was paid and buying himself a cat. But by using the pennies, the money, he bought a cat for himself. In no time at all. In no time means within a short period, the cat chased away all the rats and mice. And Dick was able to sleep carefully. See, he had two problems. By using his intelligence, he solved his problems. The other difficulty, which was not so easy to overcome means what? Succeed in dealing with a problem, was the cook's bad temper. The lady cook was too much bad temper. She shouted and screamed all day and would scold Dick and hit him with a wooden spoon, even when he was working as hard as he could. Even though he worked hard, the lady cook, shouted at him and screamed and troubled him. One night, Dick decided he could stand it no more. Means he stood that now I could not stay here no more. I have to go somewhere else. Early in the next morning, before the cook was up, he set out means what? Started journey with his cat to see his fortune. Fortune means what? His good luck or chance. Elsewhere, the two of them means his cat and Dick, as far as Holloway. On their way out of London, means Holloway means what? On their way out. Then Dick sat down on a stone to rest. He sat down on a particular stone to rest. And it was the 1st of November. 1st of November means November 1. All Saints' Day. It was what? What was the speciality of that day? What was special on that day? All Saints' Day. And the church bells were ringing. As Dick sat and listened, it seemed they were ringing out a message for him. When we heard the bell sound of the church, what did he think? Let us see. Turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. Here thou is an archaic word, means old English word. It means you. Turn again, Whittington. When he heard the bells ringing sound, he thought that they were ringing out a message. It was his what? Thinking or thought process. Turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. Here, worthy means deserving respect. Lord Mayor of London, Dick, I should like to be Lord Mayor and ride in a fine coach. Means he started to think what would happen next. He started to daydream now. I can put up with a few scoldings from the cook if that is what is in store for me. Means if I could become a Lord Mayor of London after some time, after some years, so now I had to bear scoldings of cook. So he decided to set back. Where? Again to the Fitzwarren's house. Here, put up with means what? Tolerate. So Dick and his cat retraced their steps. Retracing means what? Going back again over the same route. steps to Mr. Fitzwarren's house. Luckily, they were able to slip back before they had been missed. Means before anyone could find out them, they came back before.